I've received this video by email at 7 o'clock this morning. This is groundbreaking, so I decided to share it with you. So let's begin.
Entrepreneurs' strategies for affiliate marketing. Program details. To eliminate overwhelm and help you get results fast, the challenge is broken down into 3 levels. Each level is built upon and is an extension of a previous one. This is a secret key ingredient to your exponential and rapid growth, providing you with a solid and clear path to follow. Finally, a clear path to success that anybody can follow. Each day you'll get a specific and detailed training, with specific and precise action steps for you to complete that day. Imagine being taken by the hand and literally shown exactly what to do every day, and most importantly getting a clear explanation of why. No overwhelm, no confusion, no frustrations. The 4% challenge is your simplest path to results and real success. Here's how the program is structured. Level 1. The $10,000 challenge. We start from scratch and build up from there. Your goal here is to go from where you are now, even if it's zero, and help you generate your first $10,000 in revenue as an independent affiliate marketer online. Just like baking a yummy cake.
Don't delay. Click the link below to join our team today.